Very good morning, friends. I'm Nalnakshi Swami, welcoming to my channel Smart Index Edge. I've recently, last 3 days back, I introduced the new indicator Nalini Lawrence style setup. So, friends, I'm going to explain about the Nalini Lawrence style setup and how it helps you to trade in the market. Let me take you to the chart of Nifty. So I'm going to explain the Nalini Lorenz system in a very simple way. Most traders look at the market and see candles moving up and down. So they cannot make out. You can see here the green candles and red candles moving up and down. It goes down and next goes up, comes down. It is a confusion actually. They cannot make out. But the real question is you should understand the market structure. Market structure is structure of the market, whatever it is, structure of the building. Actually, it should not collapse actually. If it is going up, it should not collapse. If you are coming down, it should not collapse. Like that, market structure is. Market structure is if it starts moving higher, it has to move. It is a natural process. Goes up, comes down, goes up, comes down. But it should not follow. It should not follow if I apply a line over here, and it should have a base to support it even if it comes down. That is market structure. Market structure is explained in the terms of high, low, higher high, lower low, higher low, and higher high. If it is coming down, suppose if it is coming down, it will start making, this will be the structure of the market. But it becomes very difficult for anybody to understand. This will be the market. If it comes down, this line will hold. Sometimes it will collapse like this. So this type of price action will be seen in the market. Let me remove the drawings and let me explain you what is going to understand the market structure. You need not draw. You need not draw. It becomes easy with the Nalini Lawrence system. It is based on the market structure. So if the market is making higher highs, that becomes a question. It becomes simple with the Nalini Lawrence system. The Nalini Lawrence system is built around understanding these answers. So you can see here that with the Nalini Lawrence system, clearly you can see market is making a lower highs and lower lows. Here in this area, it has started making a high, low, and high. Think of the market like building. Before constructing higher floors, the building needs a strong foundation. Similarly, before a strong move happens, the market usually creates a range. Before a fall or before going up, market makes a range. That intraday also it will be like that. Market goes up and it stays in a range and then pops up. For example, I'm on the hourly chart. Let me go to the 5 minutes chart. You can see market gapped up. It is an high, higher high. Okay. Then it halted. Actually, if you are an intraday trader, you see only, normal traders see only red candles. They press the button for the selling actually. It was not selling. Actually, market went up and it is the correction. So you cannot make out And what is happening? Here comes the Lorentz system. This Nalini-Lorentz system helps us identify the ranges. Suppose this is the internal range, this is the major range, range high and range low. From the range high, range low, market rallied up to this and it corrected here. And in this area, market gapped up, it broke above this range. So what makes you to, this is the major level, you can mark it out. And it has, I have added internal range filter. It acts like a microscope. Let me make the internal range filter little bit thick so that you can see, where is it? Oh, I have made it as thick. So this is the internal range filter running within the major range. Then you know that only if the market comes below this, it will go up. Additionally, I have added another range filters for intraday, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, and hourly range filter I have applied. What I do is I have enabled only hourly range filter. This is hourly range filter. That is also dynamic. If this internal range filter and the hourly range filter, they are both are green and market has broken above the range, okay, then I look for the discount near these levels. So you in advance, there is an internal range filter here and you can put a line over here and you can anticipate. So, because what happens in the market, with the Gann Helos rolling pivot, let me apply the Nalini precision indicator. This is the Nalini precision indicator. The market is coming away from this one. This is the hourly. Let me hide the Lorentz system and show it to you. This is the hourly pivot. When price moves here, and I will not be knowing how far it will move away from the balance because this has balanced away from here, but I will get the noon pivots. Sometimes with precise, market will not come to that level and it will not break above. To solve this problem, Lorentz system comes into picture. Let me hide the Nalini precision engine and also I have created Nalini time machine here. Time machine tells you the energy flow as well as the time. You know that this is around 216, 189 and 216. Around that level, actually, no, one here around this level, 189, noon session will start and other time frame market players come into our market. Actually, every day what they do, this is my observation, during the noon layers, that is London session open, market manipulates and it will be in the trader's memory. Here, same thing. You can see market manipulated and came down. The people will have this memory and they will press the button for selling. They will get trapped. Actually, in a fractal way, the structure, if you see the structure, the one day, one type of market behavior. If you see the structure here, it is a down and halt, down. Then definitely you will go into a wrong direction But here comes the Nalini-Lorenz system. It makes you not to go in the wrong direction. Let me hide the Nalini time machine, Nalini precision indicator, and all are needed. Actually, you need all the things. This is the system which will enhance. You can ask me, you can combine all the three and you can make in one indicator. No, that is not possible. I tried to do that. The three concepts are very, very different and it takes lot of coding and it will not allow. There is limitation for the Pine script code. You cannot add more than 500 lines or so. Then it will not load also. You cannot code also. That is the problem with that. So now this is the internal range filter, which was magenta, that means down, turns into green when the market gapped up, but you cannot enter over here. This is a BTST trade, and for a trader, intraday trader, he has to wait for the trade. While waiting for the trade, people do mistake entering here. They will think it as a reversal. Of course, you can see the morning, exactly this range, it popped up. It did not complete the correction and it came down. And it is okay with when you are trading with when you are watching the underlying. But what happened to the call option, 23,300 call option? You have to see on the Friday. 23,300 call option. If you see here, it comes deep down, deep down. Of course, it is a range breakout. You can see it is a pop-up range breakout and it comes down. Here in the internal range filter, it went up to 191. Time slot, you need to wait for time machine that will save you, and energy flow exhaustion will save you from all the things. You can notice that. I've already made videos for that. Now I'm concentrating only on the Nalini-Lorenz system. Okay. Now let me go to the 5 minutes. You will be prepared for all these things beforehand itself. See, what I do, see here, if you see here, market made an high, right? From low to high. How did it make? It was a range breakout. This is the range high and range low, and this is the range breakout. You can mark this level. And when the market gaps up next day, this is the level to watch for. Even if you enter wrongly, this is your stop loss. Can you see so beautifully the level was 133.65 and this candle low was 137.1. Then huge reversal comes and you can see even though it breaks below the range, intraday in a 5 minutes time frame, but it is within the major range and internal range filters. That is how the market makers, and also it is due to the time decay. Market makers, what they do, they push it down. This price was 232. Even if you would have entered around thinking that it is a discount, if you would have entered, you would have been in so 183. While coming down, it comes like that, it makes you panic not to sit, and you will be thinking, see, if it starts coming from 179 to 137, almost 40 points. 40 points means almost 3,000 rupees you will be losing. Suppose if you are trading with many lots, you will definitely panic. This is where the Nalini-Lorentz system, along with, let me apply the Nalini precision indicator. Nalini precision indicator. These are the known layers. See, every day from the known layers, market corrected. Same thing they did, but they trapped. Every day it used to go down and close at the bottom. Here they halted and reversed. It was a strong reverse from here. This was the manipulation which happened, and this is also a manipulation because it is a gap up. Next day. But it was time to the next day, but it was time to the present day itself. The market started moving higher, and it was a boon for an intraday trader who can cash this. And finally, let me enable the Nalini time machine. So let me take out Nalini precision indicator and let me zoom it with the Nalini-Lorentz system. Here you can make out the energy flow 369, 363. That means this is a range. So you are not going to trade. You can see with the Nalini-Lorentz system, the price is in the range and this was the fall. This was the fall. The energy, with the time cycle, every day it did the same. 189 to 46 and it was the time is different. It came down to 243. Here it came down and 243 it is reversing. See the beauty, it is reversing. Here continuation of the downtrend. And same, see if you observe if I apply the Nalini precision indicator, same type of behavior from the known layers, 12 p.m., 12 p.m. But here they cut short this trade, down move like this and a sharp reversal. From the 243 time cycle, the market has reversed. From the 243 cycle, previous day market has come down. That is on Thursday. This is on Friday. Friday, it was a strong rally to the upside. There comes everything. So, each and every filter, time machine, energy flow, everything. Here, the change here, you can see here, 3 energy was flowing, yellow color, and 6 is down, and 3 is plotting at the top. So this candle is a noteworthy candle. Along with the price taking the support at the internal range hourly filter. This is hourly internal range dotted line is from the Nalini-Lorentz system. Okay. Now I am showing you only Nalini-Lorentz system. And you can see the beauty, you can make out the ranges. This is very, very useful in option trading because option premiums tend to decay and it will not mimic the underlying because of so many factors related inbuilt in the option premium pricing. Option premium pricing depends upon the alpha, gamma, theta. Theta is the most important thing. It plays the role. Here, the time has elapsed here. Time has elapsed from here to here, 3 hours, 5 minutes. Then time, even though intrinsic value will be same, underlying will be the same. It doesn't move that much, but the option premium goes very much down. So that is the thing, that what happens in the market, the same level market comes down, but the option premium decays little bit more than that because of the theta decay. So everything you can capture with the Nalini-Lorentz system. This is a beautiful thing. It's an added strength for Nalini precision indicator and Nalini time pro machine. So friends, remember this. Remember this. The final thing, what I'm going to say is market structure creates the story, ranges create the boundaries, the internal range filter reveals the hidden strength within those boundaries. You need hidden strength within these boundaries. See, because market crosses the boundary and comes back into the boundary, inside the boundary, and you should know the inside internal range filter to show the strength in the internal when it comes inside the boundary. This is a natural process. While the market trades like that, it makes a high and it makes a low. When it makes a high and it makes a low, this is a normal, see, it moves up, it puts a step forward and it step backward. Even if you take your 2 legs, 2 feet, actually, if 1 feet has to keep down and the other feet has to lift up and it has to move. And if you want to go forward, other feet has to come down and it has to keep its foot down and another feet has to lift up and it has to move. This is the natural human, this thing, mechanism to move forward. Now, move forward. This is what happening in the market. Same thing is mimicking. When the market moves up, it has to come down. It has to, this one is the right foot and this is the left foot. Left foot keeps the down and market moves higher. This is the comparison of that. So friends, learn to lead all the three. That means ranges creates boundaries. The internal range filter reveals the hidden strength within those boundaries. If you learn to understand, to read all these things, the market becomes much easier to understand. So it is difficult for a normal trader to understand everything. To make it simple, I created this Lorentz system with all these things. Range filter and internal range filter. Thank you very much, friends. Nalinakshi Swami signing off.